So lift your arms up, both hand back and catch your bricks and slowly lift your hip up and bend your left knee and lift up and hold 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slowly your left leg go left side, both legs straight, toes lift up, neck back is straight and slowly lift your arms up and slowly left hand catch your right thigh and right hand lay up and down. Take 1, 2, 3 and 4. Twisting pose and slowly right hand catch your left toes and roll your upper shoulder and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toes press inside. 5. Slowly come up, lift your arms up. Inhale and slowly exhale. Right hand back, catch your block. Inhale, slowly lift your hip up and roll your left hand back. Hold slowly and exhale, hip down, left hand down, forward. Slowly come up, second time. Inhale, lift your hip up and slowly roll your left hand back and hold a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, hip down. Slowly lift your both arms up, both legs straight, toes press inside and slowly exhale, catch your both toes and neck back straight and exhale, bend forward. Bend forward, look forward and hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and slowly come up. Inhale, lift your arms up and slowly your right hand back, catch your block, left hand lift up and slowly go right side and slowly left hand lift up, hip lift up and look back. Look forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and exhale, hip down. Slowly left hand catch your right feet and slowly lift your hip up and leg straight and look forward. 1, balancing pose. 2, 3 and 4 and exhale, hip down. Slowly come up. Inhale, lift your arms up. Slowly right hand so again over your left knee and catch your right ankle and slowly left hand back and twist your spine and look back. Hold up Merudand Vakrasana. Hold 1, 2 and 3. Slowly come up. Inhale, lift your arms up. Again both hand down and slowly your back down and lift your hip up and leg up, catch your back, close your elbows and slowly come up to sarvangasana and open your both leg. Hold a 4 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so close your leg, both leg lift up straight, stretch your both leg and slowly both leg down over your head, halasana. Both legs straight, hold 1, 2 and slowly open your both leg, more open your leg and hold 1, 2, 3 and 4 and slowly feet together, close your both legs and slowly both legs straight, lift up and stretch your both leg and slowly bend your left leg and over your right thighs, and exhale, hip down, and slowly neck back straight, lift up. Bend your right leg and catch your right knee, and slowly inhale, lift up, and exhale, touch your forehead on your knee. Inhale, lift up, lift your forehead up, and exhale, touch your knee. Inhale, lift your forehead up and exhale. So again, slowly come up, lift your arms up, both hand back, and lift your hip up, and straight lift your left leg up 90 degree and hold. Look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And exhale. Relax.